up, what up? I'm the math teacher. Today in 5th grade math, we are doing long multiplication. That's going to be 2 digits by 2 digits. So something like 63 times 62. That's what we're going to do today. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, okay? Go to the description. There's a link for the notes that are there. If you have a printer, print out the notes. That way you could do the problems that I do. And when I ask you to do some problems, you have them right there and you don't have to write out so much. Now, if you do have scrap paper, do that too. That works just fine. Let's get right into it. Long multiplication breaks big problems into smaller, easier steps. So this isn't just be like, oh, well, that's going to be 6. 3 times 2 is 6, and that's going to be 6 times. No, it's a little bit more involved than that. So how do we do it? Multiply the bottom one's digit by the top one's digit. So we're going from the right, we're going from the bottom right to be exact, and we're going to do 2 times the top one's digit, which is 3. Now 2 times 3 is 6. Now if we had to, we'd carry over if needed. We didn't have to carry over. If our number was 12, we'd carry a 1. If our number was 20-something, we'd carry a 2. If our number was 30-something, we'd carry a 3. You get the idea. All right, now multiply the bottom one's digit. So multiply that 2 to the 6 now, to the tens digit. So 2 times 6 is going to be 12, write out 12. We don't have to worry about carrying over when you're done those numbers. Now what we do is write a 0 in the ones place under the next row. So I did 126, so let's switch colors and do a 0 right there. Now we're going to follow the same steps that we just did with this 6 here. Multiply the bottom tens digit by the top number. So 6 times 3 is 18. So we write out the 8 and carry the 1. Okay? 6 times 6 is 36. Add that 1 to make it 37. Now, step 6. Let's add the 2 rows together. 6 plus 0 is 6. Easy. 2 plus 8 is 10. So write out a 0 and add a 1 up there. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 7 is 9. And then 3 and nothing is just 3. So 63 times 62 is 3,906. Okay? So I believe I'm going to do 4, and I'm going to ask you to do 4. We're going to follow the same exact steps every single time. All right, so we're going to follow the same exact process again, same exact process. 2 times 5 is 10. Write out your 0, carry the 1 over. Do it again. 2 times this 5 is also 10, plus that 1 is 11. Ooh, Stranger Things. Now, the second row, you're always going to put a 0 there no matter what. And you do the same thing with the 3. 3 times 5 is 15. Carry the 1 for the 15. 3 times this 5 is 15, plus that green one right there is 16. Write out as 16 directly underneath. Now we add the rows. 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 5 is 6. 1 plus 6 is 7. And nothing plus 1 is 1. 1, 2, 3, put a comma there. 55 times 32 is 1,760. Okay? All right. Ooh. 0 times 4 is 0. 0 times 1 is 0. All right, I can handle that. Write a 0 underneath, always that second step. 5 times 4 is 20. Carry over a 2. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 2 is 7. Now we add those 2 rows. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. Nothing plus 7 is 7. We get 700. 700. ugly these numbers up a little bit, shall we? Let me get some colors too. 7 times 9 is 63. So let's put the 3 there, carry over a 6. 7 times 4 is 28. 28 plus 6 is 34. So we're going to write out 34 just like that. Always put a 0 under there and do it again. 1 times 9 is 9. 1 times 4 is 4. Add up the 2 rows. 3 plus 0 is 3. 4 plus 9 is 13. Add a 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 833. All right, so there's going to be a lot of carrying over with this one. So sometimes, the 2 numbers that I carry over here might be a bit too much. I'm using color, so it kind of works for me. But if you're not using color, then we'll do it this way. I'll show you what to do. I'm going to use the same color every time. 6 times 2 is 12. Carry the 1. 6 times 5 is 30. 30 plus 1 is 31. Now, when you're done a row, if you want to cross it out, cross it out. That way, if you're using the same color pencil every time, you don't get confused. Okay? 6 times 0. 6 times 2 is 12. Carry over a 1. 6 times 5 is 30. 30 plus 1 is 31. Well, now let's add these 2 rows. 2 plus 0 is 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. And nothing plus 3 is 3. 1, 2, 3, put a comma. 52 times 66, 3,432. Now, you try 4 of them. All right, pause the screen. When you're ready, when you're done, come back, do them. I'll give you as much time as you need. Just make sure you come back. Go. All right, welcome back. 1 times 3 is 3. Nothing carries over. 1 times 6 is 6. Not bad. Don't forget your 0 underneath. Do the same thing with 5. 5 times 3 is 15. Carry over a 1. 5 times 6 is 30. 30 plus 1 is 31. Add the 2 rows. 3 plus 0 is 3. 6 plus 5 is 11. Bring the 1 over. 1 plus 1 is 2. Nothing plus 3 is 3. 3,213. Okay? Let's keep going. 7 times 0 is 0. 7 times 4 is 28. Drop down to 0. 9 times 0 is 0. 9 times 4 is 36. Had to think about that one for a second there. Not sure why. Add up the 2 rows. 0 plus 0 is 0. 8 plus 0 is 8. 2 plus 6 is 8. Nothing plus 3 is 3. 3,880. 2 more. If you haven't done these yet, pause the screen. Don't do what I just did and just bump things. Pause the screen. Come back when you're ready. But if you did do it, let's do it. Numbers get bigger. 7 times 9 is 63. So let's put a 3 there. Carry over a 6. 7 times 6 is 42. 42 plus 6 is 48. Write that out. Now we can cross out that 6 if you want to. Always put a 0 there. and do the same thing with 8. 8 times 9 is 72. So write out the 2, carry the 7. 8 times 6 is 48. 48 plus 7 is 55. Now we add the rows. 3 plus 0 is 3. 8 plus 2 is 10. So bring the 1 over. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. Bring the 1 over. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6,000 trace. All right, one more. And then we have a word problem. Then we're done. 7 times 4 is 8. Carry the 2. 7 times 7 is 49. 49 plus 2 is 51. Write all of that out. Get rid of the 2 if you want. Drop down the 0, always. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 7 is 7. Add these two guys up. 8 plus 0 is 8. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 7 is 12. Keep bumping this thing. Like that. Super annoying. A box holds 24 packs of pencils. Each pack contains 36 pencils. How many pencils are in a box? All right, so this is multiplication. We're grouping here. So we have 24 packs of pencils. Each pack is 36, so 24 groups of 36. I need to multiply these two numbers together. All right? 6 times 4 is 24. So write out the 4, carry over the 2. 6 times 2 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. Okay, that row, done. Drop a 0 underneath the next one. 3, I don't need that 2 anymore. 3 times 4 is 12. Carry the 1. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So let's add these. 4 plus 0 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 1 plus 7 is 8. And how many pencils are in a box? 864 pencils. Lápices en español. Lápices. Muchos lápices. And if I said that wrong, don't leave a comment. But that's that. If you liked the video, like it. If you loved it, subscribe. And watch more of my videos. But that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.